Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music app on our phone. You can use Spotify, Tidal or whatever. I'm just gonna use YouTube app, but like I said, you can use any music app. You can start playing the music. And once you start playing the music, you can go to your watch, press the up or down button on the home screen to scroll through the list of glances. And once you scroll through this list, you should see the glance like this, the music control glance. And it will detect that you're playing the song, as you can see, and you can press the start button. Once you select this glance, it will open this menu, and here we can control the music on our phone with our watch. So we can press the stop button to play or pause the song. We can press this button, down button, to skip to the next song. We can press the up button to open the more options, and here we have previous song, we have next song, we have pause play, and we have also volume controls. So if you select volume, press start, you can adjust the volume on your phone, sound volume of course. And once you're done, you can press the start button to go back, and then you can press the back button to go back to the main music controls menu. Okay, and once you're done controlling the music, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. You can also control the music on the watch itself, because this watch allows you to have a music on it, and you can play back the music from the watch. To do it, you need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Find the option called music, select it and press start. And here we have option called music providers. And you can select control phone to control the music on your phone. You can select my music to control the music on your watch. If you have any songs on your watch, if you select this option, it will open the list of songs. But as you can see, you need to add the songs first to control the music, and then we have the option to select the music provider like Deezer or Spotify or different ones if you want to, and you can select it and then use it to play the music on your watch. Okay, let's go back, and that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.